Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you how to sew a button on the shirt. We're gonna need a thread same color as the button and a needle. If you lost the button and you need one, look inside the shirt on the side seam. Usually factory always give extra buttons to sew for your shirt in case you lose it. Hold the shirt in one hand and then you see these little spots from the button, so this is where we're gonna start. Don't forget to make a knot as well. Pull your needle through, add the button, pull all the way and hold the button straight. Now we have to sew the button starting across. That way it will help us easier to hold the button straight. Alright, and now we coming back through upper hole and across. We have to repeat this process 2-3 times to make sure the button is straight. Make sure don't pull too tight. Insert the needle and make sure you have a spot of one needle. We have to sew across 3 times to make sure the button is secure. After we finished sewing, I will pull the needle behind the button, then twist the thread around the button 2-3 times, and then take a needle and insert, and we'll go to the wrong side to tie the thread. To tie the thread, we can just pinch it a little bit of the fabric, pull it, don't pull all the way, hold it, and then with a finger pull one thread and then all needle. Pinch it one more time and cut the thread. We want to make sure the knot is secure. And that's all. The button is done and I hope that will help you. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.